In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add a news ticker in WordPress. News tickers can be seen on most television networks to highlight breaking news or daily trends. You can add a news ticker on your website to highlight anything you want, really. And it's easy. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, then click on Add New. In the search bar, type ditty and press enter. And this is the plugin. Click on Install Now to start the installation. When the installation is complete, this button changes to Activate. Click on it to activate the plugin. Once the plugin is activated, you get redirected to the plugins page. If you notice, you'll see the news ticker icon on your dashboard. Click on the icon, and then all your news tickers will be here. Right now, we don't have any, so to create one, click here on Add New, add a title for this ticker, then under Ticker Text, enter the text you want to highlight. You can force line breaks from here. Then click on Publish. Now, to add this ticker on a page or a post, just copy this shortcode. Then go to the post you want to add this in, and paste the shortcode in the post wherever you want it to be displayed. Let's preview this post to see how it looks. And as you can see, the news ticker was added successfully. This is how you can add a news ticker in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap that bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.